Gold price is skyrocketing to the upside, as you can see right here. And right now we are seeing this very little retracement to the downside. So the question is the market going to, from this very level of support, come back right down, or we're going to see a little move to the downside before the next move to the upside? So that is what I'll be discussing in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Right here on the XAUUSD one-day chart, market has been moving upward on gold. Okay, so we've seen a huge surge in the price of gold to the upside, and right now it seems that the market is going to move down. But before you begin to sell gold, okay, or before you begin to take a short or sell position, we must have to cross this level of important support, because this area is very important right here. And right now I believe that gold have a very high chance of coming back to the downside for a good correction. What I mean is, market should break this level of important support that we see in the chart right now. But before we can take a sell position, market have to come back down to create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. Once we see that, then market is going to retrace for the correction, and then continuation of this very impulsive move to the downside is going to come into the market, and that will be the right time to sell the market. So the most important thing we need to wait for right now is for the market to create a new low, which will be a sign that this market is going to come back to the downside. So pay attention to this very level of important support right now, where the market is at this very point. Once we see that very drop to the downside and then correction, then it will be the nice time for us to enter a sell position. And one other thing that is very important on this chart is, if you notice the way market have been moving to the upside, we see a series of higher highs and higher lows. Market move upward, and we have consolidation at this very area. Market move upward and then come back down. We have this move which was not as strong as the move from this very point to this very area before this correction. And if you look at where the market correct right here, you discover that this correction is huge, that is significant compared to the correction that happened right here. Now what that means is that the buyers are getting weak, okay, and the sellers are going to take control of the market very soon. But as a trader, we need to see that the market is really coming back to the downside by allowing the market to break this level of important support. Once this breakout happens, then the market is going to begin to move to the upside. Remember, this is a major correction before the market is going to move to the upside, and this is what I am paying attention to right now. Another important thing on the chart right here is, if you notice, market move upward from this level of support to the upside, and then we see this move downward, and then market move up, which is a failed swing. Market failed to create a new high at this very point, which is not higher than the previous high at this very area. This is an implication that the markets have capacity of breaking this level of support that I've been talking about in this very video. So pay attention to this very level of support right now on this very chart. And then if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, you see something that is somehow different from what we are seeing on the one-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart right now, you see that the market come back all the way down last week, and then as a result of the non-farm payroll, and then you see the market is consolidating right now at this very point. What I am expecting on the 4-hour chart is a move to the upside. So market should correct this impulsive move. So market move an impulse from this very area downward, and right now correction is necessary to come into the market before the next move to the downside, for us to break this level of support in line with what you're seeing on the 1-day chart. So pay attention to this level of support right now. So on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to move upward from where it is right now at this very point. And once that correction is over, market is going to continue this move to the downside because we have a great momentum to the downside from here. Then it means that the market will correct a little bit, and then after the correction, market is going to come back down for the next impulsive move to the downside on the 4-hour chart. So this is what you need to watch right now on XAUUSD. So this gold price analysis is very important for all good traders. You need to pay attention to the market breaking on this level of support before you start taking a sell position on gold. And as you can see, market is still in an uptrend, except we see that very breakout. Then we can trade the correction to the downside before market will give us a continuation sign. So this is what you need to pay attention right now on the chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.